Okay, we're going to go over a pretty cool Zap where we take ChatGPT and we clean up the job summary in ServiceTitan. So the first thing we're going to do after we connect ServiceTitan, we're going to select the new job event. Then we're going to be connected to ServiceTitan's latest version. Of course, this always changes. Now for this, you can decide if you only want to do this for certain job types, business units, different things like that, different technicians. For me, I'm going to do it for all job types, and I'm going to use scheduled as the job status. Pulled in a job here. We'll continue with that record. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a 15-minute delay on it so that after the job's created, if there's edits to be made, the CSR can do those. Now here's where the fun starts. So we're connecting to ChatGPT, and the event we're going to use is a conversation. Now, if you're doing a lot of messages back and forth to ChatGPT, you're going to want to train an assistant, or what some people call agents. It'll be a lot less expensive. To do conversations direct is a little bit more expensive. So what I've done here is I've given the AI a list of instructions. I went back and forth with ChatGPT, ensuring that the output that I got was correct. I'll copy and paste this into the summary below so that you can use it. So I've added all of this instruction, and then at the very end, I go in, and when you click in this box, you have an option for these drop downs. You select this and you can find the job summary and add it to the bottom. Now the model is which version of ChatGPT you're using. I'm using the latest one, which is 4.0. This one is a paid version, so you have to be able to, so you have to pay OpenAI in order to get access to this, but you could use free version 3.5 Turbo. And we're going to go from there. This is our request message, and I'm going to retest the step. It sends it to the AI. It sends back this. Good information. Now I have it in HTML, and I'll show you why. And now I go in and I select the job ID, and all I have to do here is click custom and then scroll down, and the ID is right here. So that's attaching to the job that we originally pulled. And then in the summary field, I'm overwriting the entire summary with this. I also have added a nice title for it so I could easily see that it's been overwritten. Let's test it out. So first, before we test it, this is what it looks like before we started. Not bad. And here's what it'll look like now. Okay, so that's it. Have fun with it.